In this video, I'll walk you through a VBA code snippet that groups worksheets based on cell selection. Discover how to create dynamic interactions in Excel using VBA to trigger different actions when certain cells are selected. Let's open the VBA editor and access the code editor for Sheet 1. To do this quickly, right-click on the Sheet tab and select View Code. The Worksheet Selection Change event is triggered when the selection in a worksheet changes. This occurs when you select a new cell, a range of cells, or move between cells. The target parameter represents the range of cells involved in the change. An if condition is used to check if there is any overlap between the specified range A1, D10, and the target range. If there's any intersection, the code block inside the if condition runs, grouping specific worksheets. If there's no overlap, it selects the current worksheet using me.select. Once the code is in place, each time you select any cell on the worksheet, the code checks to see whether the cell you selected is within the range A1, D10. If it is, the code will automatically group the worksheets you want to be grouped. If it isn't, it will ungroup the sheets simply by activating the sheet you are already on. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content.